Hi everyone, Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you, and I'd call this my Dollar Tree DIY haul because majority of the items I'm going to be showing you will be part or have been part of my DIYs. Yes, I'm saying have been part in the past tense because I sometimes show my haul after I've done some of the DIYs. It's just because of scheduling, and plus I'd rather test my DIYs first on some of them just to make sure they're going to work before I show my haul. But there are times that I would do my haul first before the DIYs because I know it's going to be a sure thing that it's going to work. So first thing is this box here. It comes also in the color red and also white, and it's what you call, I think this design is plaid, right, or gingham. And I got 3 of this because I am going to be creating something here. It will work, and I know that this color at least matches our decor. I also got this glass heart. Another thing that I got is this one. So the next few things that I'm going to be showing you will be part of a DIY that hopefully will work. So I only bought this set here. These are the 4 champagne glasses. I like this because it's the bottom part here. I don't know if you could see. Sorry about the glare. Is in silver, and also the rim near the mouth are also in silver. So if I'm going to be using this in the project, I wouldn't need 2 spray paint. So this is 4 in a set. So this is just $1. And then this one here, the trio of tray, I got 3 of this, and I do have an extra from last year. That's why you see a little bit of dust here. But yeah, I may use 4 or 3 or 2. I've shown you that I hold this already in the past, so I got another one. I got this in the party section, where, you know, for catering. So I got this 2 acrylics with handles here. It seems like this come out during the holidays or Christmas season because of the stars here. So I got 2, and then I got 2 of this as well, the bigger trays. Also this, I think this is kind of like where you, it's like a tray where you have for the chips and sauces or maybe condiments. So I got 3 of them here, and these are again acrylics. I think it's a good buy for $1 each. I got this one as well. If you're familiar with my DIY that I created a glue gun stand, a cutting board which has no design. It was just a clear cutting board. And let me just show you my glue gun stand. This is an organizer for the glue gun and for the glue sticks. So yeah, so this is what I created, and I've been using it a lot. There's just some remnants here from previous projects, but yeah. So just watch and see if you will like it. So I got this one, not that I'm gonna create another glue gun stand. I need this for kitchen, and I'm rearranging things, so I'm gonna be using this next to our Keurig. Also got this measuring cups, and I like that in the color that I love, this teal or turquoise that I like so much. There's just a little scuff mark here, but because there's only one left, so I just bought what I can get. So this one here is a cabinet shelf, and I've used this in my pantry. I bought another one. I think on my previous haul I bought another one also, but I want to create something and I needed 2. This comes in a pack of 2. Yep. So this is the wider one, not the narrower one. The self-adhesive hooks by Tool Bench Hardware come now in silver finish. Second time I purchased this desk organizer because when I was using the other one I realized that I needed another one. So I am going to be showing that DIY as well. It's an organization that I am trying to incorporate in my craft room. Okay. I found some of the stickers that I was kind of looking for, and thanks for the tips of those who were kind of like responding to my question if the certain things, because this is let me grab the ones I purchased before. This too I purchased on my previous Dollar Tree on a previous haul. Okay, And then I said, hey, this must come with other ones because it's hope and love and there could be faith. However, I think somebody said that there's faith, but I still couldn't find faith, but I saw cherish and believe. Okay, so this one is the cherish, and this one is more in blue and green, and there's a bird cage there. And then this one is believe, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is a hummingbird or a bird in flight. And I love hummingbirds. I hope this is a bird in flight. So let me just remove this from the packaging so that we can avoid the glare. Okay, here we go. Much better. And then this one as well. I mean, the words that they use here, and to think about, you know, 3D type of stickers that you can readily use for making cards and flip books. Look at that. They have 7 in each. Okay, so yeah, I'll be using them for future projects. And I bought another set of this because I have another set already, because in that other store there was only one set left. So I bought another set because I'll be creating some projects out of this. Okay, it's so cute, right? The design. I don't know if you could see. They're in the Valentine's section. Now, also in the Valentine's sections, wow, these are really adorable stickers. This has 12 in it, and this has 12 in a set, and this has 11 in a set. And let's remove it from the plastic again to prevent, to lessen the, there we go, the glare. I like that this sticker is, you know, there's a sticker, flat sticker, and then there's one that's raised, so that really adds dimension. It's adorable. This is not only for Valentine's, guys, so if you want to create pocket letters or cards, and yeah, you know, for your sweetheart or your friends, look at this. And love is a universal word, and that you can use not only at certain time of the year, but all year round, right? And then I am surprised to see this because there are 360 counts in this, and these are the, whether you use a thumbs up or thumbs down, you can use this probably like this to denote thumbs down. Again, if you are into planning or journal or anything that you want to put a thumbs up or thumbs down, I would assume that you can just do that, right? Yeah. So this is great because I also bought last year a set of emoji, and I'm still using them for my planners. I don't really buy, I don't buy those layouts or monthly or weekly planner layouts or stickers because they can be very expensive. So I just make do what I have. I bought this small 50 sheets mini composition, 3 in a pack. Also this one here. Everything has plastic, guys, so that's why everything has glare. And of course, this one is shiny cover. But this comes, and I'll be inserting photos here too. This comes in black and also a tan color. And I like that it already has a pen and a notebook in it. Yeah. Okay. So I also have this. This is a second time for me to buy this. This is a Jot expandable file folder, and I'm going to be creating an organization using this and the other one that I purchased the same color. Also, the other one, it came in at the same color. I think there are other colors there like green and blue that I've seen. I think there's even a purple or even a pink, but I purchased this blackish gray. On the last haul, I had so much fun hauling those baskets in this color, this turquoise or teal color. So when I found these deep baskets, and for gift wrapping command center, I used this on the wall, but it was in green, and I've noticed this seemed to be a lot thicker. I don't know, I'm probably gonna compare one of these days. But also in our kitchen pantry, I've used one of the green ones also to organize some of our snacks, you know, the chips that came in bigger bags. So I purchased 5 of this as well because I'm organizing our home aside from my craft room, and different parts of the house. And the Dollar Tree sells a lot of great organizational bins, baskets, containers, you name it. And of course, for $1, I mean, really, that's a great deal, right? Okay, I bought this as well. This is a passion fragrance sachet. Comes two in a pack and it smells so good. I've used these sachets, when I'm making gifts. I will be linking it here. I created a gift. It's a collaboration where we created gifts for Mother's Day, and I have used this. And I also had a separate project or gift ideas for Mother's Day also from last year, where I used also the fragrance sachets. I used what they have inside, and then so that they make them smell so good. So they also have white rose, linen smells, but I like this one a lot. It's right here. Enter the new year before spring. Here we go. The cleaning and decluttering and organizational bug kicks in. So that's why I purchased this, and I figured here there are 20 in a pack, and this is the wet sweeper cloth, so this is much cheaper, of course, for $1. And instead of me buying those bigger brand names, and this one has lemon scent as well, so instead of buying those, I can just use this for the sweeper that we have. And then I almost took one that is good for wood or furnishing by the same brand, and then I saw this multi-surface wipes, and this is good for granite, tile, wood, stainless steel for a refrigerator, and also oven and dishwasher and microwave oven. And then it's good for glass as well, which is a mirror at the window. So I am gonna try this. It says here 30%. Oh no, I'm sorry. There are 30 in a pack, which is great, and they're bonus 20% more. Guys, I don't know if anybody of you have used this, but let me know if you haven't, if you can give me feedback on this too, because this is going to be the first time I'm going to be using them for cleaning the floor for this one, and this one cleaning all the other surfaces in the house. Is it really true that this is multi-surface wipe and it doesn't damage the other finishes? So yeah, we have granite, we do have the floor tiles, we do have wood for furnishing, stainless steel, like I said, those kitchen appliances, and glass. So I'm gonna try them and let me know. Hopefully it works. I'm excited. And then there are some projects that I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to be using sandpaper. So there are 36 in a pack, and I don't know if they're all the same. Okay, there are waterproof abrasive paper, and then there's also abrasive paper for wood. Okay, so there are 2 P80, and I think those are the grit texture or style or type, the grit type, I think, or gradient. So I'm gonna be using this, and not only for the house. I don't do woodworking, definitely, but I do some crafting, and I can give paper or cardstock or even paper pads some distressing finishes on the edge, and I can try to use this grit sandpaper. I got this also floral wires, so I've got one already in the past. I think I had a green one because they come in green, also in pink, and then they have silver, and they have gold, and they have red. So I purchased this for an upcoming project, and they're about 6 feet. They are about 6 feet long. Then this one is, I was thinking, should I buy this? Because I have already those clothespins for my crafting, but I have not seen anything like this small. So I've decided to purchase this, and there are about 40 pieces here. There's yellow, pink, blue, and white. So that'll be good for crafting. Okay, I don't usually buy food, but I purchased this, and this is a repurchase, and this is a French fried onions by Golden Farms, you know, the makers of those raisins. So I like putting this on our salad or even soup, you know. Again, so we make a porridge, rice porridge. This will be good for that. And this is dairy free and non-GMO. And also the minced garlic, because we love garlic in this house wherever we cook, and, you know, sauteing. I even do garlic fried rice, and I like the minced garlic. Well, that's it for now for my haul, everyone. Thanks again for joining me here in my channel. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please share with your friends. Also, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. If you're just here watching and enjoying the videos that I've been uploading, thank you so much for your support. And I do hope to talk to you again in my next video. And I can't wait to show you all my DIYs. Hopefully, all of them pass my standards. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody. Have a great day. Have a nice